Have you ever gone to a restaurant and wanted to speak English, but didn't know what to say? Today, you'll practice real-life restaurant English through a simple story. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 8 of our 30 Days English Speaking Challenge. In today's video, we're going to practice real-life English. Today's topic is restaurant English speaking practice. Speak every sentence loudly after me. Imagine you're speaking in a real restaurant. Let's begin.
I am hungry. I am hungry. I want to eat something delicious. I want to eat something delicious. Let's go to a restaurant. Let's go to a restaurant. I am ready. I am ready. I am going to the restaurant. I am going to the restaurant. I am excited. I am excited. Here is the restaurant. Here is the restaurant. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Hello. Hello. A table for one, please. A table for one, please. Thank you. Thank you. This table is perfect. This table is perfect. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Please give me a few minutes. Please give me a few minutes. I am still deciding. I am still deciding. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What is today's special? What is today's special? I am ready to order. I am ready to order. I would like to try this dish. I would like to try this dish. I would like some pasta. I would like some pasta. I would like a pizza. I would like a pizza. I would like a burger. I would like a burger. Could I have a glass of water? Could I have a glass of water? I would like some juice. I would like some juice. Can I get some water, please? Can I get some water, please? Please make it less spicy. Please make it more spicy. Can I have extra cheese? Can I have extra cheese? Can I have some extra sauce? Can I have some extra sauce? How long will it take? How long will it take? Could you bring my order, please? Could you bring my order, please? I can't wait. I can't wait. Everything looks great. Everything looks great. This looks delicious. This looks delicious. The food smells amazing. The food smells amazing. Here is my food. Here is my food. I am enjoying my meal. I am enjoying my meal. This meal is very tasty. This meal is very tasty. I really like this food. I really like this food. Everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. The service is excellent. The service is excellent. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Could I get another glass of water? Could I get another glass of water? Can I have some napkins? Can I have some napkins? I am full now. I am full now. Can I get the bill, please? Can I get the bill, please? Could you bring the bill? Could you bring the bill? How much is it? How much is it? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? I would like to pay in cash. I would like to pay in cash. Thank you for the delicious food. Thank you for the delicious food. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. I am going home. I am going home. I had a wonderful time. I had a wonderful time. Now I am back home. Now I am back home. I am happy. I am happy.
Great job! You're doing really well. Before we continue, if you're enjoying these English speaking lessons, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's move to some medium-level sentences. This time, don't wait for the text, just read and speak with me. Ready? Let's begin our shadowing practice.
Today I was hungry, so I decided to go to a restaurant. When I arrived, I asked for a table and the menu. The waiter recommended today's special. I decided to order a delicious pasta and a glass of water. I also ordered some juice. Please make the food a little less spicy. After a few minutes, my food arrived. Everything looked delicious and smelled amazing. I enjoyed every bite of my meal. The service was excellent. I asked for another glass of water and some napkins. When I finished eating, I asked for the bill. I paid by card and thanked the staff. Then I happily walked back home. It was a wonderful restaurant experience.
Great job! You completed day 8 of our 30 Days English Speaking Challenge. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite restaurant food? Now it's time for today's challenge. Create your own sentences. Let's see how many of you can complete today's challenge in English. And if you completed today's challenge, let me know in the comments. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video.